Hello everyone. Imagine your customers can actually see themselves wearing your products before even buying. It may be glasses, jackets, caps, and even full outfits, all virtually tried in seconds on your website. So, sounds like a sci-fi. No, it's the exact system that I have built. So, now let's dive into the walkthrough of the system. So in this case, I have a demo website. It can be your Ecommerce, Shopify, WordPress, and any other kind of website. Then we have different kind of products. In this case, we have caps, glasses, pants, and jackets, right? It can be jewelry, it can be watches, and you name it, right? So now let's suppose I want to try this particular glasses, and then user will be able to upload their image. I'll select one image. Now we have uploaded our image, and this is our product, right? We have this try outfit button and this outfit button. So before that, I'll explain that the system will take this particular image of your customer and means make a image using AI in which this customer is wearing any product. In this case, it is a glasses. We have a try outfit button. As soon as we click on this particular button, or it may be a try product, and as you can see that this is now generating the image. This is the make.com scenario in backend, which will be generating the images, and the image will be back uploaded to our means it will be displayed in our website. So as you can see that the same image, and I'm wearing these glasses. So wow, this is amazing, hyper realistic. And you got the idea how this generates the images and how the image will be previewed, right? So now imagine this feature sitting right inside your Shopify e-commerce store. And yes, it can be for any kind of product like clothing, jewelry, glasses, bags, watches, and you name it, right? So if you have any online store and want this system integrated into your website, reach out to us, and I and my team will personally build this exact system 100% native and customized to your website. And if you're a freelancer and want to this setup for your clients, and if you're just an AI, enthusiast and want to know how things works, so you can comment the word e-commerce. And if there will be 20 comments on this particular video, I will create a complete step-by-step tutorial on this, how you can do exactly the same thing for your client as well. That's it for this video. And if you like the system, so kindly like, share, and if you're in YouTube, so you can subscribe. And don't forget to comment on this video. Daud Khan signing off.